Right now, you are sitting perfectly still, but in reality, you are hurtling through space at over 1,000 miles per hour, while orbiting the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. So why does it feel like absolutely nothing? If you stepped out of a car going 70 miles per hour, you would definitely feel it. Yet the Earth is spinning faster than the speed of sound, and we do not feel a thing. No wind in our hair, no vibration, nothing. How is that possible? To understand this, we have to look at a very common misunderstanding. Most people think we feel speed, but we actually don't. Think about the last time you flew in a commercial airplane. Once the plane is up in the air, cruising at 500 miles per hour, what does it feel like? You can pour a cup of water. You can walk down the aisle. The water does not fly backward, and you do not get pinned to your seat. To your body, it feels like you are sitting in your living room. But why? It is because the speed is constant. You only feel a change in speed, which we call acceleration. When the plane is taking off and speeding up down the runway, you get pushed back into your seat. Your body registers that change, but once the plane stays at the exact same speed, the feeling of movement completely vanishes. The Earth is just like that airplane, but even smoother. It spins at a perfectly constant speed. It never hits the brakes, and it never suddenly accelerates. But wait, if the Earth is spinning so fast, shouldn't there be a massive raging wind pushing against us? After all, if you stick your hand out of a moving car window, the air slams into it. This is where gravity comes in. Gravity does not just hold you and your house to the ground, it also holds the entire atmosphere, all the air surrounding our planet. The air is locked to the Earth. It spins right along with us, like a giant invisible bubble. When you walk around inside an airplane, the air inside the cabin moves with the plane. The same thing happens on Earth. We are inside the bubble, moving at the exact same speed as the ground beneath our feet. But here is a weird thought. Is the Earth really moving at a perfectly constant speed? Actually, no. As the Earth orbits the Sun in an oval shape, it slightly speeds up and slows down depending on how close it is to the Sun. Plus, because we are spinning in a circle, our direction is constantly changing. In physics, changing direction is technically a form of acceleration. So why don't we feel that? The reason is scale. The Earth is so massive and its circle is so incredibly large that the change in direction is painfully slow. It takes a full 24 hours just to make one rotation. To your body, this change is so tiny and gradual that your senses cannot detect it at all. It is like trying to feel a snail crawling on your shoe while you are running a marathon. So we are riding on a cosmic spaceship with a perfect cruise control. No bumps, no brakes, and a protective bubble of air traveling with us. If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 1 second, what do you think would happen to us?